Easter is around the corner, and if you're thinking of making your own Easter bun this year, check out this recipe. This is moist and very tasty. No dry Easter bun around here. This can eat on its own or with our favorite or tasty cheese. So watch the end, guys, and like the video and drop me a comment. Also hype the video, guys. It goes a long way. So let me give you a run through of the ingredients. For the wet ingredients, we're going to need honey, butter, browning, molasses, our stout of choice. You can use malt, or if you want to do alcohol free, I'm using some cooking oil, my sugar, jam, I have mixed peel, I have red cherries, and my raisins. And I'm going to put all those in the pot and just allow for my sugar to dissolve and the butter to melt. Then we allow that to cool down. Then we can add our vanilla. So continue watching, guys. So let's move on to the dry ingredients. Here I have nutmeg, cinnamon, salt, allspice, and ginger powder, baking powder, and all-purpose flour. We're going to mix all this to combine in a bowl, and we're going to preheat our oven and grease our loaf pans. Now that our stout mixture has cooled down, so now we're going to combine our vanilla, stir that well, and then we're going to combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Key point here, guys, please don't over mix your batter. As soon as this come together, stop mixing, just add it to your loaf pan and put to your oven. Okay, so let's combine this one, put them in the oven to bake this for 1 hour, and then we're going to test with a toothpick, and we allow them to cool down while we work on the glaze. Continue watching, guys. But if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so at this moment. Tap subscribe button, hit the notification bell for future uploads. So let's get to this. While our bun's baking, now let's make the glaze. For the glaze, we're going to melt butter and add honey. Mix this to combine, and then that will be our glaze for our bun. Nice and sticky and full of flavor. exactly 60 minutes. I test it with the skewer and it comes out clean. So my bun is ready. So now I'm just going to glaze this and leave it in the pan to cool so it absorbs all those moisture back in the bun. Okay, please don't remove it from the pan as yet. Let it stay in the pan so it cool down, so it absorbs the moisture back. Okay, and here is our finished product, guys. Yes, it's not completely cooled, but we are still cutting in. It was very moist and tasty. Yes, very tasty, guys, trust me. So do check out this recipe. I'll try to put the full ingredients so you can make in the description box. What I tell you, guys, very moist, no dry bun around here to choke you. Okay, this is very moist and tasty at that. So here I've served it up with some cheese. So I do hope that you will try this one out. So guys, what's left now is for you to like the video, share the video, drop me a comment below, like the video as well, and do subscribe for more nice homemade Easter bun. Catch you in another upload. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed.